I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Connecting a new device to Instacart is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your new device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Sign into your account. Once the app is open, tap on the Sign In button. Enter your email and password associated with your Instacart account. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Set up notifications. After signing in, you'll be prompted to allow notifications. Enable this feature to stay updated on your orders and promotions. Step 5. Start shopping. Now you're all set. Browse through your favorite items, add them to your cart, and proceed to checkout as usual. Remember, if you have trouble receiving the verification code, check your spam folder or ensure your phone number is correct in your account settings. Happy shopping!